Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to science class. Today we're going to be learning about the lab safety rules of science class. These things involve the fire extinguisher, the fire blanket, safety goggles, and the eye watch. We're going to be covering all of these things today in this class. So let's go do that. The first of the lab safety equipment we're going to be showing today is the fire extinguisher. This is something commonly used to put out fires on non-living objects, like let's say a chair or a couch. So we're going to show you an example of when to use it and when not to use it. Our first situation is we are cooking on our stove and an enormous fire breaks out on our poor potatoes. Unlike me, these potatoes are not living, and we will take our fire extinguisher and put the fire on the potatoes out. That is a situation where you would use the fire extinguisher. Now let's go see one you wouldn't use it in. Oh no, Buddy's on fire, but we can't use the fire extinguisher here, otherwise the chemicals will affect his skin, and that will hurt him even more. What we need to use is something I'll show you right now. Alright, so what we used last is what puts out fires on non-living items. So right now, Buddy is on fire, and we need to help him. What are we going to use? Something that can put out fire on living things, like this fire blanket. The fire blanket is used to put out fires on living things. So let's go help Buddy and make sure he doesn't get burned. Alright, Buddy, we're here to save you. Make sure when you're using the fire blanket to put out all the flames before letting him roam free. And once they're all done, make sure he stops, drops, and rolls. And once he's done, if he has any burn wounds, make sure to get him to the hospital and get him treated immediately. One of the most common tools a scientist needs to have is his goggles. These are used to protect his eyes in the occasion that chemicals can get into your eyes. We don't want that happening, otherwise you can get severe eye damage and your lab might not really go as planned. Let's go make sure our students have their goggles on. He's following the rules. Definitely wants to protect his eyes after that fire incident. Let's go check out a bunch of the other guys. You have to make sure you put your goggles on. I don't care if it doesn't look good with your trunks. You need to put the goggles on right now. Now Phil's eyes are safe from chemicals as well. Where are your goggles? No, don't put your eyes near that. You can get hurt. Oh no, Jimbo has chemicals in his eyes. We need to make sure he gets the eye wash immediately. In the rare but potential occasion that somebody gets chemicals in their eyes, make sure you escort them to the eye wash, where they can then wash their eyes out and become safe again. Make sure they rinse for about 15 to 30 minutes, and while they do this, make sure you contact someone to get some help. That's all for now, and we'll see you in the lab. Goodbye.